Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for you guys. It's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna show you guys how I restore my wig slash maintain from this mess to this. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, share, comment, and let me know what you guys think. So let's go right to the video. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure this is secure on this. The hair is not moving in mannequin head because I'm going to do some detangling. I'm going to separate the hair, put it in portions. I'm going to start with this portion first. So this is how it came out after I detangled it. Became nice and smooth and perfect again. I could have just wore it like this, which I am not gonna do because anything's dirty give me pimple, especially hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash that. But first, before I wash it, I just want to trim the ends just because I don't want to do that at the end. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So before I get to the process of washing, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this shampoo. Basically, you could use any type of shampoo. You could use any cleanser that you have or soap. As soon as it's something that's gonna clean the hair, because it's synthetic hair, it doesn't really matter, it's plastic. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use this softener as a conditioner. Like I said, it doesn't really matter, so we're gonna go ahead and use this one and see if it really softens the hair. First, what I did is I filled this up with warm water, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the shampoo.
I know you need someone to hold, somebody like me. So baby, don't do like that. Baby, don't do like that. Oh, Emma, forget Ethiopia. Miss it, forget Ethiopia. Oh, Emma, what be the matter? Miss it, what be the matter? Oh, Emma, forget Ethiopia. Miss it, forget Ethiopia. Oh, Emma, what be the matter?
Well, this is how this came out. This is soft than ever. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my oil just to give it some shine. And I was thinking of putting some curl on this. I don't think I would because the curls stay pretty nice. It's still wet, by the way. I'm gonna let it hair dry. I'm just gonna show you guys how I laid it on my head real quick. I did not do that much work. I had an elastic band in the back of the wig. That's basically what I use. And before I do that, I did lay my baby hair down. Make sure you lay your baby hair down, because if it's not laid down, the synthetic wig, some of them doesn't have any baby hair, so you have to lay your natural hair down. So that's what I did. I also put some foundation just to match, my skin, and so the scalp will look natural. And what else I forgot to mention? Yeah, I did not use any curly iron to curl it. It came out the way I wanted it. So if you guys like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.